Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Cambly learners, my name is Zaytun. You can call me Zay and I am a tutor on Cambly. Today you will be learning about object pronouns. Now let's get started. But first, let's recap. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, a place, or a thing. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. Some examples of pronouns are I, you, he, she, them, and they. For example, Jessie is going to the mall. Jessie will buy herself a dress. Doesn't sound natural, does it? So instead of saying Jessie's name twice, we could replace it with a pronoun. So we say Jessie is going to the mall. She will buy herself a dress. To identify the object in a sentence, simply look for nouns and the verbs. Remember, the object receives the action. How do we use them? Some important facts. An object pronoun always comes after the verb. So you have your verb plus object pronoun. There are three types of objects. Number one, direct object is the thing the verb acts upon. Example, they found him last month. Him is the direct object of the verb found. Number two, indirect object. The indirect object receives the direct object. Example, I sent her an email. Her is the indirect object of the verb sent. For example, the recipient of the email, which is the direct object. And then object of a preposition is the noun or pronoun that is controlled by the preposition. For example, it is a delivery from them. Them is the object of the preposition from. Now, examples of object pronouns. In the examples, the subject is in italics, the verb is in bold, and the object pronoun is highlighted. So we have four examples. Number one, Mary saw him at the cinema last week. Number two, will you please tell them to stay out of the living room? And number three, she made you a cake last week. And number four, our parents gave us a good education. I hope you had some fun learning with me today. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, on your phone or your computer. Please schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Bye-bye.